Hello friends, welcome to another video. As my subscriber is very less, only 35, but one of my subscriber and my friend who requested me to make a video with ADAS and driving in with one hand. I mean, can we drive 30 kilometer or 50 or 100 kilometers with the ADAS on, and can we just keep our hand on the steering and it will move simultaneously? So theoretically, yes, it should go like that way, but practically I'm doing for my friend. Whether he the next video, when you see, you will understand that I'm making this special video for you. And also all of my other subscribers, they request me different things to to taste or to do. That is also I'm doing, because I have very less subscribers. I value their opinion. So let's go to the video. So start the ADAS, adaptive cruise control, standby, and it's on. 57, 60. Okay, I'll try to put my hands very minimal way on the steering. So that's why today the camera setup is little bit different. I want to show you the entire steering wheel. I'm not focusing on the road to shoot much. Okay, so look at my steering wheel fully. I just keep my hand, this is my hand, I just keep my hand here. I mean, you can put your hand anywhere. This is my convenient position. And will it go like this or not? Yes, it should go like this. And one more thing, guys, I'm not violating any rule by ADAS manufacturers or Mahindra. Also, they suggest to keep your hand on the steering, but they don't mention that keep your both hands on the steering or one hand on the steering. So I'm taking the advantage of that. I'm just putting my one hand and signal ahead. Okay, signal ahead. I'm not doing anything. It should stop by itself. Let's see. Slowing down, down, stopping by itself. Okay, if you can see at the bottom, my foot is out of all the pedals. I want to show you, I try to show you, but it may not be possible. So right now, nothing applied, no brakes, no gear, anything, nothing is applied. So when the traffic moves, I just need to press my accelerator a little bit to give the signal to the car that to move. It is not moving, just accelerate a little bit and it is moving. Okay, cruise control is still on. Fine. Yes, I'm steering here because the lane marking is not good. Let's see how far we can go with this setup. I just keep my hand very gently over this on the steering, and Mahindra says keep your hands on the steering, so I keep it, and only one hand I'm keeping. But see, this is for taste, but please don't do it every time. This is on special request on off one of my subscriber. And guys, I have only 35 subscribers. Please subscribe and like, comment, share. And whatever you want to ask me, please put on the comments. Or if I'm doing anything wrong, if I'm doing anything, please comment and let me know. I don't know why it is slowing down, but it is turning by itself. Okay, yesterday I just made one video on the fuel, I mean the mileage test, and I put this petrol variant. I have this petrol. One of my subscriber commented me for this MX95 or something, the power, and he told me to use that power instead of petrol. So I'll see. I have not much idea. Again, there is a signal. I'm not doing anything. It is slowing down, down, stop, Stop. Okay, the car stopped by itself because of the signal and the moving car. So what will I do next? When the signal will be over, just little bit accelerate, okay, to give signal to the car to move, otherwise it will not move. Till now I have not applied brake since I started my ADAS. Okay, now it's clear. Just accelerator. Okay, here I am doing little bit of steering because lane markings are not there. Okay, otherwise, see, now marking is there, I can rely. Okay, there is a signal board, so I am steering by myself, and here there is a diversion. Okay, now I take manual control. Okay, apply little bit brake, all that has gone, so I drive manually. Not everywhere you know, jabardasti, you don't need to do it forcefully to everywhere. That wherever it is required, please drive manually. I can you know, yeah, I can apply again ADAS is on. Another signal, very irritating. Not signal, but what is this called? I don't know. This 2-3 barricades are there. You have to navigate like, you know, the S turn. You have to make like this S turn.
Attention to pedestrians.
We have expressway ahead, so on the expressway it will work fine. Wait for some time. We are about to enter our expressway. Okay, now we are on. Let's get back. ADAS is already on standby. Only a push up. Done. 54. Push up and hold. Speed 60. I just put my hand. Okay. It is steering by itself, and I can feel my hand is moving because of the steering force. If it is possible, in the editing I will try to fast forward this portion, because there is nothing much to speak about here. Already you know, who are my regular viewers, already you know. Only thing is how far we can go with this setup, that is to test. So I don't want to cut the video anywhere so that the continuity may get break. Otherwise, I'll try to fast forward this portion. Okay, everybody is passing by, so increase the speed to 70. See my steering, as you asked me whether can we drive with one hand on the steering or not. We can drive with one hand. I'm just keeping the hand, so this auto notification will not come. Basically the principle is if you try to understand how to this ADAS system sense that my hand is on the steering? How? Let's say how it has some touch feel. No, the thing is whether when the steering is giving an input, okay, that's feedback mechanism. When it is giving an input, let's say go to the left, to the right, if my hand is there and stand still, because of the force, it will give some opposite force or some restrictions of the movement. From there the sensor of the ADAS system will understand that hand is on the steering. If no hand on the steering, it will not get any opposite movement or any restriction of moving. It needs to feel some restriction, okay? So if it gets some restriction on the movement, then it will sense that okay, hand is on the steering, and obviously you will have to put the hand on the steering. I have seen somewhere people put some bottle over the here and there, and no, don't do like this. This is not an autonomous car. This is a level 2 ADAS car, but it doesn't have autonomous feature, okay? If Mahindra could give one more thing, which is a lane change assist, it will be much better. What is lane change assist? Lane change assist is, let's say I go to the left lane, I don't know to do anything, my car is capable of changing the lane. So it is still not here. Even it is not in Creta, not in any other level 2 ADAS car in India. I have not seen anything till now, but if you know, guys, please let me know. Okay, here I am giving some input because I don't rely on this marking. I mean, I rely, but see, I cannot trust. If it doesn't turn, my car will hit on the wall. So that's why I give some input, left turn input, okay? So 12 minutes passed, already we are driving in the same condition, same way, no setup change, okay? Okay, I just put my hand over here and put the weight of my hand on the steering, okay? If you just gently touch it, it will not work. You have to put your weight over here. When the road is straight, marking is there, and ADAS will work. You can see what is on your right or left. I can play music. If I could play music, that will be better, but because of the copyright I can't play. Okay, I think this is the time to change the lane. Look at my mirror. Car behind, and this blind view monitor is not, I don't like, it's not good. Okay, so let's go to the, no, not now, I'll change later. This vehicle ahead is slower than me. I'm going closer, automatically my car will slow down. This is 70, now slowing down. Already now I need to change the lane because of this, right? Irritating. My car is not capable of changing the lane by itself. if it could, that would be better. So okay, blind view monitor, everything clear, left side clear, steering to the left. Now I'm giving input. Now come back on the lane. Again it senses. So this much work, this much manual work that I did, it can be automated, and it should be automated. Try to see my full steering. Today I change my sitting position, little bit of back side, change the lane. Okay, blind view, right side, change it, come back, done. This much manual work you have to do. If we could automate this, मज़ा ही आ जाता. ये क्या है? What is ahead? Oh, I am to slow down. Now I have to apply brake. Don't rely on this, okay? Don't rely on this. They did it at such a position. They did not give any prior warning. I had no room to, go to the left lane, so I had to stop. Okay, now I'm driving manually, little bit, lot of traffic, let them pass. So right now what just happened, guys, is not good. It's not my fault, or neither their fault, but they should, give some indication very prior at the top of the flyover. If you put indication that some repair work is going on, how will the traffic know? And I didn't have room to go to the left lane. Okay, now I think I can start again, guys. So this is ADAS again. Keep my hand. Now I can go like this, but please be aware, this kind of unwanted situation, you have to be very alert all the time. I think the video is getting much longer, so guys, I'm stopping here. So I mean stopping the video here. Thank you so much, and I think you got your answer. If anything you want to comment, any other video that you want me to shoot, please let me know. I don't have much any video ideas, so whatever my friends, my subscribers request. Oh shit, requesting, I'm doing that. Thank you.